Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Diva. For those who are new and for return subscribers, hello. My voice today is a bit croaky, but I just want to get straight into the video. I'm literally going to do a sun type kiss glow look for you guys. It's coming up to spring, so it's going to be an easy look for you beginners out there if you're interested. So if you guys want to stay tuned to the video, sit back and relax. Right guys, I'm going to be taking the Sheglam brow pencil in the colour coffee, brushing those hairs, and then I'm literally going to follow my hairline very faintly to fill in all those empty spaces. So now I'm going to be taking the LAKEY Pro Concealer in the colour Almond with this Morphe flat eyebrow brush, and literally just take my time to follow the hairs under my eyes. Literally guys, take your time when it comes to this. There is no rush. Now guys, I'm going to take the Rimmel Match Perfection foundation in the colour Noisette just to go over my eyebrows. It does look a bit light on camera, so I was looking at, but yeah, it did the job in the end. Now I'm going to take the Sacha Buttercup setting powder just to set on top of my eyebrows using a beauty blender just to dab that right in very gently. Now I'm going to go in with that same foundation and plot it over my face, dot to dot to dot to dot. And I'm using a Real Techniques expert brush just to pat that into my skin. And yeah, it's a very good foundation. It just blends into your skin very well. Right, I'm all done here. And I'm going to go take the Sheglam Liquid Gel Duo Liner just to place over my eyelids. And this is the technique you guys use. Take your time. Just to let you know guys, I use the bottom of the pencil, the gel bit, to put under my eyelids. I showed it very quickly guys. I use the Primork eyelash glue duo, and I use these eyelashes that were from Sheglam to place over my eyelids. This glue from Primork, I've told you guys before, it is so good, it's so affordable, and it holds your lashes very well, very well. So now I took the e.l.f. 16-hour wear concealer to put underneath my eyes to highlight my areas. And I did it from the inner bit corner to give it that more precise highlight. Then I went in with the Pro Concealer in the colour Warm Honey to put on the edge of where I placed the e.l.f. So I used two colours, the light one on the inner and a little bit of a darker one on the outer. And there, just placing it around my face as you guys do. Now I'm going to take the Sleek Contour Cream Palette in the colour Extra Dark and place it on my cheekbones. But you guys will see right here that I put too much on my face. And I was just like, huh? Like, I was there continuing, dabbing it. I thought, you know what? I look like an idiot. Look at me. Then I thought, let me try and place the foundation on top of the contour cream. But it didn't work. And I'm still there, dabbing. So I thought, you know what? At this point, I need to do this again. So I came back, placed the foundation on my face and started again. So here's me now placing it around the perimeters of my face. So guys, to give your face that glow, you have to use a deeper color than your shade. And this is where the glowy, warm look comes from when you're doing this glowy look. I did went back in with the Sacha buttercup just to pat the setting powder into the concealer I did before. And yeah, just keep rubbing it in. And then I went back in with the palette just to chisel my nose. Went in very lightly, and you just take your time when it comes to this as well also. Right guys, I went in with the Benefit Real Lengthening Mascara just to give my eyelashes a boost and give those underline lashes the lengthy looks to match the lashes. Now I'm going to take the Revolution Skin Finish in Golden Glare. Guys, this gives you that glow. Place it everywhere, your forehead, your T-zone, your nose, your cheeks, your chin. This gives you that glow. I recommend this product to anyone. I always use it. If you guys watch my video, you see that I use this literally every single time I do my makeup. Like, I swear by this, it's the one. Especially this one too, the 4K highlighter palette. This is the one in gold, and I've just taken this color at the bottom to put over my eyelids. My eyelids needs a shimmer. It has to glow as well. So technically it's not an eyeshadow, but just giving it that little shimmer to reflect the rest of the glow in the face. Now I'm going to take the MUA Academy lip liner in the color Obession. This is one of my favorite lip liners. And yeah, just place it over the outline of your lips. And I'm going to take the MUA Lux Velvet Lip Liqueur in the color Harmony. Just put a little bit on the middle, rub it in, and then use this gloss to give it a finish shine look and rub that in. Let that dry, and guys, look, watch the glow turn up. Yes, people, I'm feeling myself in slow-mo. I am glowing, baby. Hashtag turn up the glow. Now, guys, jokes aside, I am feeling this look. Guys, let me know what you think. Please comment down below. Your opinions mean so much to me. And yeah, hopefully this was easy for you guys to follow. Like, it's spring, like I said. This is a lovely look to rock in spring as that sun is glaring over your face. But most importantly, subscribe to my channel, people. I want to pop up on your screen. So help a girl out, people. And yeah, I shall see you guys on my next video, and I hope you guys have a good day, night, morning, and one love to me people them. Oi, oi. Bye bye.